Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add an affirmation to your collection in the I Am application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the person button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the Your Affirmations section, click on the Past Affirmations button. And from these affirmations, just select one. And then click on the three dots next to them. And then click on the Add to Collection button. And once you made a collection, you can just add it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.